The first session, PAN stack, PostgreSQL, Express, React, and Node stack. So full stack development, PAN stack. So first one is Postgres, then second one for Express.js for backend API, React.js for frontend API, Node.js is a runtime environment. So small agenda for this session starts from introduction to PAN stack, then Postgres DB creation, Express.js backend creation, Node.js for runtime environment, React.js for frontend development. At last, there is a small demo on to-do app creation. So the entire installation VM which is available in www.kesavaraja.cloud.in. So PAN stack. So PostgreSQL is an object relational database. Express for backend API creation. It's a wonderful web framework. React.js is a front-end app creator, so which is also called as JavaScript library. Node.js, which is termed as JavaScript runtime environment, which gives the runtime environment for all those JavaScript, Express, React, Next, then Angular, etc., etc. So the PAN stack, which consists of 4 key components. The first one, PostgreSQL, then Express.js, then React.js, and Node.js. All those components are combined together to create a CRUD operations. So PostgreSQL, which is a database, which is an object-oriented relational database, which is a combination of both relational and non-relational actions. So SQL as well as JSON. Express, which is used to create a backend API in HTTP requests. React.js is a JavaScript library which choose to build an excellent UI, user interface or web interface, which is also called as a front-end tool. Node.js is a runtime environment for executing all those JavaScript which supported for all kind of platform like Windows, Linux, and Unix, Mac OS. So we choose to create a web server in the easiest manner. So this is a simple flow diagram. So user can directly interact with the React.js client program. Then the React.js client program, which will be connected with Express.js backend API. So API which connected with PostgreSDB. Then PostgreSDB which return a result to Express. Express which return a result via API to React. React which return the result to user. So the prerequisite, Node.js and Visual Code. Node.js for runtime, Visual Code for IDE. So either PG admin or DB viewer we choose to for table creation for database access. Postman for testing API. Node monitoring is a tool we choose to continuously execute the React.js or Express.js app. So these are the small intro on PAN stack in full stack development. Thank you. Thanks for watching.